Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of else if statement. Else if statement is basically if, and we have if else statement. In between we can use else if statement if you want to use the third or more than two. If you want to use more than two in if else statement, you can use the else if statement. Now let's go ahead and see an example for that. First let's look at the if else statement. For example, let's say I'm putting integer, introducing an integer type of variable, and let's name this one as age, and let's say age is 55, and here I'm going to create the if else statement. If age is greater than 60, if age is greater than 60, then print this one, print the first one. To print the first one, what we put, system.out.println, you are a senior citizen. You are a senior citizen. Now this is if the age is greater than 60. Then I'm going to create an else if statement. So before I create the else if statement, let's look at if else statement. If, and second I introduce else statement. In the else we are going to print out something else. Let's copy this right here, copy and paste. Okay, I remove this else. In this one we are going to put, you are a junk bug. You are a young bug. Okay, so 55, age is 55, and we know that this is not greater than 60, so the else statement should print out. Let's go and run this one, and here it's printing out, you are a young bug. Now else if statement is basically we put something in between. So for example, let's say else if age is greater than or equal to 50. Let's put a printout statement. Let's put system out println. Let's copy this one right here and paste it right here, and system.out println, and here I'm going to put, you are in your 50s. You are in your 50s. Okay, so we know that age is greater than 50 because it's going to print out just one of these. First it checks whether age is greater than 60, it's no. Second it checks whether age is greater than 50, it's going to be satisfied this condition because 55 is greater than 50, so it's going to print out the second statement. It doesn't go to the third one. Now let's go and run this one. Now you can see you are in your 50s. Same like that, we can create as many as a else if statement as possible. Now let's try putting another one in between, and here I'm going to put if age is greater than 40, and I'm going to say this is, you are in your 40s. Okay. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Oh, I changed the age to, let's say, 45. You are in your 40s. Okay, that's it. Now we have seen the else if statement, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I hope you guys find this. It's in my blogger. And also, if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.